Subscribe to my channel PRIKNOWtomakeit and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a video on how to make a perfect hexagon. Out of this you can make varieties of origami flowers. I have also done 2 varieties of flowers. One you will find in my next video and the link to the other one you will find in the description box below, or you can check it in I button. So let's start the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch my next video because in that video I'll show you a very beautiful flower out of this hexagon shaped paper. Also share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are coming to my channel for the first time. Hit the bell icon beside subscribe button to get the notification whenever I'll upload any video. So till then, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.